A warm welcome to all my students in this PMC Education YouTube channel. Now, today we are going to learn previous basic knowledge which are very important for the standard fifth. So now we are going to learn geometrical shapes, and these shapes you learn from the standard third, fourth, now coming towards the fifth standard also. So this is the main concept is that we have to learn the basic concepts of geometrical shapes, those which learn in the previous year. So now we start the topic. First of all, I come to know about it, quadrilateral. So geometrical shapes. In these geometrical shapes, we learn first quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, shares a rectangle, square, that is the shapes. First of all, I show you this is the square, as well as next one have the rectangle. So now I explain you about it. First of all, square. Second one is a rectangle, which we learned in a previous class. Rectangle. Now the shape. How is the shape? The square is a just like this shape. They have the four sides, as well as I draw on the board also. Next one has the rectangle. Rectangle like this shape. Now I show you square. This is the rectangle. See, in the previous class we learned square and rectangle. Now the basic concept of square, what have? See, I given the name of this square A, B, C and D. So now the basic components of the square is sides. Second one is a vertex. Vertex. Third one is a angles. But these one angles we learn in a next class. So now they have the sides. Now I'm going to tell you what are the sides in the square. Side AB, side BC, side CD, side AD. So the square have the four sides, four corners, four vertex. So vertex, you know that the vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D. Same as rectangle. Rectangle also have the four sides, four corners, as well as four vertex. Now we are going to next. Triangle. Second one shape is a triangle. 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 How the triangle? You know that this is the shape of the triangle. Okay. Now triangle have the three sides, three angles and three vertex, which we learn in a third standard as well as the fourth standard. Now these are the basics for fifth standard preparation. So now I given the name of this angle vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. Now the triangle name is what? Triangle ABC. So there have the sides, side AB, side BC, side AC, and vertex, three vertex, vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. Now next one, the circle. Third one, geometrical shape is a circle. Now circle, there the basic concept of circle is, I'm going to show you circle. First, circle have the center of the circle. Next one, they have the many components in a circle. Center, after that radius, third one diameter, fourth one chord. These four particular concepts we learn in a previous class. First, I explain you center. This is the center of the circle. Is I give you a name for that, M. M is the center of the circle. Now next one, radius. See the radius. Radius means what? The one point is a center of the circle and one point is on the circle. It's called as a radius. See how? Here I give a one point that is called P. I given one point and make one line. So this is called as a radius of the circle. It's called as a radius of the circle. So radius, what I have? Radius is MP. MP is an radius. Now next one, diameter. So diameter means what? The double of the radius is called as a diameter. So simple form. See, again I next one draw here one circle. Now this is the one point. This is the center of the circle. Now from the center of the circle, the line which is passed from the center of the circle is called as a diameter. So the basic, the line which pass through the center of the circle, this is the center. So center of the circle is called as a diameter. So I put here the name is P. Center of the M is the center of the circle. One point is P and here given one point is a T. So the diameter means what? The line which is passed through the center of the circle is called as a diameter, and the second form is the double of radius. So that is called as a diameter. So what is the diameter here? Diameter is a PT. Next one, chord. Chord means what? The simple. Chord means the 2 points on a circle makes a one line, that is called as a chord. See how? Here one point, here I put one point. So I give a name for this. One point give T and here give M and make the one line. That is called as a chord. So chord is what? MT. MT or TM, same is there. So you can understand this, the basic concept of circle. First one have the center of the circle is called as a center of the circle. Radius means what? The radius means the one center of the circle and the second point is on the circle is called as a radius. So radius given here MP. Diameter is the double of the radius. So the line which is passed through the center of the circle is called as a diameter. So diameter is a PT. Chord. Chord means what? The line which is the circle have the 2 points is called as a radius chord. So the basic concepts you learn from these basic videos, so you can understand very well. So geometrical shapes, which is very useful for the standard fifth onwards. So you have to be learn at home, and the basic concepts you clear it as before as for the preparation of fifth standard, and these whole topics we learn in a previous class. So this is the repetition of all these things you can do at home. The triangle also, triangle have the three sides, three vertex, as well as the square also. That whole things you learn at home and make sure for the preparation of standard fifth. Thank you so much watching this video, and please like it.